Hi friends, welcome. Today we'll make something beautiful out of this waste cooking oil container. For that I'm going to cut the front and the back of this container, and I'll mark the portion I'm going to cut with a cutter or scissor. It's always better to mark before cutting. So I'm done with my marking. Let's cut it off. Now on the sides, now this part is out. Similarly, I'll cut the front portion too. If you are below 15, please do it in the supervision of your parents. Don't do it alone. Be very careful when you're cutting the curve on the sides. I'm done with my cutting part, and now to hide the sharp edges of the portion I cut, I'm going to use this gold decorative yarn which I had. It's from Dollar Tree. It's easily available in shops and even on Amazon. I'm gluing it with the help of hot glue gun. You can use any decorative lace or any yarn which you have. So after gluing the yarn on all the sides, this is how it looks. Front and the back. Okay, now I also have these colorful adhesive foam sheets. They are very easy to use and are easily available in Dollar Tree, bookshop. Now I have cut two 1-inch strips of both red and yellow foam sheets, and I'll glue it in front of the bottle, below the neck, on the shoulder. You can see how easy it is to do, and as I said before, it's better to use a drop of hot glue for a better securance and hold. Similarly, we'll also glue yellow strips at the base of the bottle like this. Now I'm going to cut small 1/2-inch strips of different colors to cover the top portion of my bottle. Now here I have my strips cut. I'm going to glue it one by one on the top. It's better to use a drop of hot glue for a better and a stronger hold. Now after doing the front part, on the sides, with the help of hot glue, bend the strip inside so that it takes the shape of the bottle top like this, and similarly we'll keep on bending the strips on the sides so that it takes the shape of the bottle top. In the same way, I'll do it at the back with different colorful strips. Same way, just bend it, use hot glue. So here's how it looks. If you want, you can leave it like that. I decided to cover the empty triangles on the sides with these small little colorful strips. So if you want, you can do so. So here I am done after filling the triangles on the sides, and now I'll cut red strips 1 inch to cover the sides below the shoulder and above the base. I'll glue it on both the sides. I'll also cut 1 inch strip and I'll glue it horizontally above the base, adjacent to the side that we had glued with red strip earlier. I'm gluing small blue strips in the front at the base for a contrast. I also have thin green strips which I'll glue on the sides for a colorful look, and that's it. So here's how it looks, and for the next part of decoration, I have this empty cream container. So I'll use it. You can use any small container. These Dollar Tree Christmas decoration stars, you can use any decorative beads instead. Any artificial flower, plastic beads of any color, bells, diamond wrap. Each and everything is from Dollar Tree. Glue the golden beads at the top in the front like this, and I'll also give it a design. I'll also glue the Christmas bells, 2 in the front and 2 at the back. And the artificial flower will go inside at the bottom base. I'm gonna diamond wrap my cream container. I don't need the cap, just the bottom. I'll also glue silver beads on the top just above the diamond wrap. Here it is. Now to cover the top part of the cream container, I have this waste wrapping paper. I'll cut and glue it on the top. I'll also glue the diamond wrap around the throat of the bottle. I'll stick Christmas stars all around randomly. And this is how it looks. It's so pretty. Now I'm gonna glue the cream container inside the bottle on the top of the flower, and I had these gems which I'm gonna glue at the entrance. I have also glued plastic beads of this length at the back of the decor. I glued 4 of them and it looks like a bead curtain here. This is $1 fairy light which I'm gonna use to light up my decor. And now I'll keep my cutest Ganpati inside. So here's the final look, and I think it looks pretty good. You can also use and display it as colorful and fancy lantern with lights inside. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really hope you like my video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Bye bye. I'll see you soon with a new recipe and a new home decor DIY.